Video I'll be showing you how to download Java software and the Eclipse and we write the first level Java program. And if you want to learn Java, right, you can join with the Maltese Innovations and we can learn Java full stack from us. So I will show you the first step how to download JDK. You can write Java download and you can select the second website like which is coming from the oracle.com and we are having the latest JDK 25 and it comes with different operating systems. You'll be having Linux, Mac OS and Windows. You can select the Windows and you can select the exe file from here because Windows takes the exe file and we select the exe file and you can check the software has been downloaded and we can open this and before that, right, still I have not installed any Java software and as this is new operating system we don't have any software here, so I will be writing Java here hyphen version. See, we don't find any Java here. It is telling Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, so we can close this by passing the exit command and we can double tap on this to install it. It will start downloading and you can see this, we got this pop-up and we can click on next and by default the Java software will take C drive as a path and C drive program files Java JDK 25 we are installing and I don't recommend you to change this path, okay, better leave at the C drive itself and you can go with next. So successfully we have installed the Java software. You can click on the close and you can go back to command prompt again, cmd, and you can mention now Java -- version or hyphen you can call us. See, we got the version, right? Java 25 we are having, currently we are using this. Now you want to open Java shell, you can write JShell from here after installing Java software. See, we got JShell. In the console, right, we can write the hello world program. You can write system.out.println and we can write hello world here and enter. You got hello world as a output here. Now if you want to close the JShell, you can pass backward slash and click on the exit. So finally we have closed the JShell. Along with this, if you want to close the command prompt, you can close the command prompt by passing the exit command. So the first requirement we have done successfully, right? We have installed the JDK 25. And the next we want Eclipse software because we want write Java programs in the Eclipse. So you can select the first URL and you can select this button, download button, and you can select the x86 64 file and you can select the download again. The file has started downloading here. So successfully file has installed and Eclipse file has installed. Now you can double tap on this and let me tell you one thing, before installing Eclipse software you should maintain proper internet because it will collect a lot of files from the internet to store in the local PC and I will double tap to install. And when you are installing this software, please allow it some 5-10 minutes to install it, okay. And once you open this pop-up, right, you can see you'll be having Eclipse IDE for Java developers and for enterprise you are having, and some different versions are here, but better we use the second one because in the programs, right, we use Servlet and we use JSP and we will be writing Spring applications also, right. So I'll be selecting the second one because manually I can add my servers here. I will select this. So you can see here the Eclipse is taking Java 21 plus virtual environment and this will be the path and this will be like installation folder path, and don't change this paths. Okay, and you can click on the install and accept the license. And when it is started installing, right, allow some 5-10 minutes because it will take time. So you can see here successfully the software has installed. Probably it has taken some 3 to 4 minutes, and you can launch this. Okay, just click on launch. And you can see here by default it is selecting the C drive as a path. C uses administrator Eclipse workspace. Workspace is like it's a folder where we'll be writing all the Java files over there and the programs over there. And if you want to change the workspace, you can change the workspace, and we can launch this. And once the software is installed, you'll be seeing this type of interface. And if you're getting this Microsoft Defender, you can close this welcome page. And if you're getting this Microsoft Defender exclusion check, then just you can write keep ID scan for Microsoft Defender and proceed. And you can see on the bottom also, right, you'll be having this welcome message like install ID, download, ask me later, no thank you. Just click on this close. And on the left side, right, we can observe it is asking us to create different types of projects. When you're working with Java, right, basically we'll be having number of projects like Java project is there, Maven is there, Dynamic project is there, EJB project is there, STS is there, Spring Starter project is there. Like this, we'll be having different projects. Either you can import the projects from other place also. We'll be having import option. But as of now, we see the first basic Java project, how to create. You can click on the file and you can go to new and come to down, and you can select other, and you can select the Java project, and you can click on the next, and you can give the project name as basics. And by default it is selecting the JRE as 21. If you want to change the JRE, you'll be having an option here, customly you can change the JRE if needed. And along with this, by default it is creating a package file for us, like packages we'll be having. I don't want that, I don't want any module. I will go for next, and I will click on the finish. It is asking me open the Java perspective, but I don't recommend you to go with again Java perspective. Simply click on no. Okay, because we will be seeing the servers, terminal, all these things. If you click on the perspective, right, then the servers will change here. The entire Eclipse will change to the Java, basic Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, so you'll be having this workspace, like you'll be having the Java project here. You can see you'll be having JRE where it contains large number of files, and you'll be having SRC. Basically, SRC is nothing but like writing the Java code here. We'll be writing the code in the SRC. Right click, and you can create a new class, and we can give the package name as a com.basics. So we are writing some hello as a class name, and you can select the main method from here. You can select this and click on finish. And if you want to check this program whether it is working or not, then we can write the statement. You can pass s5 so control space bar, it will be giving the statement, and we can write hello world. Save this, and you can save the program, and you can run this. And finally, see, we'll be having output as hello world. So we have installed the Java software successfully, and we have installed Eclipse, and we know how to create the first basic project, and we have executed. We got the hello world as a output over here. And if you want to master the Java full stack, join with us. We'll be giving the full stack training. Thank you.